Welcome to Best Buy New Invention Gadgets. Today video about Motorola Edge Plus. The Moto Edge X30, which released in China near the end of 2021, went global on February 24th. In India, it is known as the Motorola Edge 30 Pro, while in the United States, it is known as the Motorola Edge Plus. Customers on Verizon will receive the device with integrated mmWave 5G technology. The new Motorola Edge Plus includes a better camera system, a brighter display. The Motorola Edge Plus boasts a 6.7-inch Full HD P-OLED display with a dynamic 144Hz refresh rate. It is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor and has 8GB or 12GB of RAM, which is somewhat larger than the 4,500 mAh battery seen in the Galaxy S22 Plus. Motorola claims that its 30W turbo power technology would charge the phone quickly. The Edge Plus adds 15W wireless charging and 5W power sharing with nearby mobile devices. Motorola appears to be aiming for a comparable high-end camera system to compete with Samsung and Google's offerings, based on the Edge Plus' spec sheet. Among the rear-facing cameras are a 50-megapixel camera with optical image stabilization and an f/1.8 aperture, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera with a 114-degree field of view, and a 2-megapixel depth-sensing lens. Motorola's camera technology claims more performance in any light, with up to 32 times more focusing pixels. Both of the 50-megapixel lenses are capable of macro shooting. The Edge Plus supports 5G in both mmWave and sub-6 forms, as well as NFC, Bluetooth 5.2, and Wi-Fi 6E connectivity. The Edge Plus, like the Galaxy S21 Ultra from 2021, has pen capability, but you will need to buy one individually, as well as a cover with a place to store the stylus. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in the next video.